What's up, guys? If your Delta 1600 series shower is dripping, leaking, or won't shut off properly, chances are the stem unit is worn out. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to replace it using the genuine Delta RP1991 stem unit and seal kit. No fancy tools, no guesswork. Let's get right into it. Tools and parts you'll need. Before we start, here's what you'll want to have ready. Genuine Delta RP1991 stem unit, which includes new seats and springs. Phillips head screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver, optional but helpful. Adjustable wrench or channel locks. Pencil tip or small Allen key for removing seats and springs. Plumber's grease. Rag or wire brush. And a towel to cover the drain. Trust me, you don't want to lose small parts. Step 1. Shut off the water. First things first, shut off the water supply. You can turn it off to the shower valve if you have stops, or shut off the main water to the house. Step 2. Remove the handle. Pry off the decorative cap on the front of the handle. Underneath, you'll find a Phillips head screw. Remove that screw and pull the handle straight off. Step 3. Remove the trim sleeve. Slide off the decorative sleeve or trim to expose the valve body and the bonnet nut. Step 4. Remove the bonnet nut. Using channel locks or an adjustable wrench, turn the bonnet nut counterclockwise. Go slow here. You don't want to damage the threads or twist the pipes behind the wall. If needed, use a second wrench to hold the valve body steady. Step 5. Remove the old stem unit. Once the bonnet nut is off, pull the old stem unit straight out. You may need to wiggle it slightly or gently pry it with a flathead screwdriver. Step 6. Remove the old seats and springs. Inside the valve body, you'll find the old rubber seats and springs. Use the tip of a pencil or a small tool to scoop them out. Step 7. Clean the valve body. Take a rag or wire brush and clean out any mineral buildup or debris inside the valve. This step is important. A clean valve ensures a good seal and prevents future leaks. Step 8. Install new seats and springs. Drop the new springs into the valve body first. Then place the rubber seats over the springs. Open side down like a cap. Step 9. Prep the new stem unit. Apply a thin coat of plumber's grease to the O-rings on the new Delta RP1991 stem unit. This helps with installation and extends the life of the seals. Step 10. Install the new stem unit. Insert the new stem unit into the valve body. Make sure the tabs line up correctly with the slots. If it's not aligned, the handle won't rotate properly. Step 11. Reinstall the bonnet nut. Thread the bonnet nut on by hand first. Then snug it up with a wrench. Just a small quarter turn is all you need. Don't over-tighten. Step 12. Reassemble the faucet. Slide the trim back on. Reinstall the handle. Tighten the screw, and snap the cap back into place. Step 13. Turn the water back on. Slowly restore the water supply and check the leaks. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's it. Your Delta 1600 series shower is good as new. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world plumbing fixes, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.